Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video, we will see how to use where clause in MySQL queries with 4 examples. For that, we will use our school database. Let's execute this. Now let's see what data we have in this database. For that, use select and from statement. So you can see, we have this data with different IDs. According to our example 1, suppose we have a condition that we want ID only smaller than 2. For that, you have to just write select start from table name and use where keyword. And put your condition, ID should be less than 2. Execute this, you can see we have only one ID. Now suppose, you want to do reverse, your ID should be greater than 2. For that you have to just change a sign. So now your all IDs are greater than 2. Let's move to next example. Suppose you want to select ID and first name, where your last name should be Shakya. To solve that, remove your star, and put your column name, which is first underscore name. And after where keyword, put your condition, that your last name should be Shakya. So you can see, we have only one name, which is having this last name. Oops, we missed the ID. So finally, we got the results. Let's move to the third example. Our ID should not equal to 2. For that just cut the previous condition. And write ID, this sign is for not equal to according to MySQL, and put 2. So here are the results. So in this video, we saw how to use where clause. This is all about this video. Please subscribe to the channel.